Your Tracki device will come with 3 battery covers. The flat cover that comes with the device, the belt clip, you can use this to attach to a belt, and also the magnetic cover. This, if you want to put on a car, what you'll do is you'll go ahead and put your 2 thumbs on the existing back, push up, and that'll pop that off, and then you can find the grooves and slide the magnetic cover back into place. So, if your device shipped with this black silicone cover, the best way to get this on is to use a little bit of petroleum jelly. And what we're going to do here is just slide our finger in and put this around the rim of it. And then first we'll take the thick side of the device and we'll go ahead and push that in. And then we're going to stick our finger in and help pull that in. And we can get that around its tight fit. The good thing about the petroleum jelly or any kind of lotion is that it'll make it more waterproof and makes it easier to get in. So now you can press the buttons and you can see these through the silicone cover to make sure your device is on. And you can see the good thing about the petroleum jelly is it's going to make a really good seal around this area and keep your device dry. So to take this out, we're going to go ahead, we'll stick our fingernail in and pull this off on the smaller side of the device and it will just pop right out. If we want to change the cover, we can go ahead and put in the flat cover and this will work with the flat cover too. So we'll find the thick part of the device, stick that in first. Once we get that all the way in, we're going to use our finger to pull out the silicone cover and push down on the Tracki device and we'll get that to pop in. And again, this makes a good seal. This is a good case for a dog. You can use this right here and put that around a dog collar, or you can put it on a keychain. It's nice and solid. And to take it out, I'm going to put our fingernail in and pull that around. This is on the small side, and then it pops out.